car is number 9. He's in 9th place.
But not for long. Umi-car is passing him.
Now Umi-car is number 9. We're in 9th place. What do you say, Umi-car? Do you think you can pass the spotted car? Look up ahead! It's the green tractor! We're passing him!
Woohoo! Now we're in 6th place.
We're catching up with the school bus. The school bus is fast, but not as fast as Umi-car.
5! We're in 5th place.
Keep going, Umi-car. There's the mail truck. Go, Umi-car. Check it out. We're catching up to pickup truck. Correction, Geo. We're passing pickup truck.
Speeding servers. Now we're in 3rd place. That means there are only 2 cars ahead of us. Taxi cab and dump truck.
Look, it's taxi cab. We're gonna pass him.
What number is Umi-car now? 2, right. We're in 2nd place.
If we pass one more truck, we'll be in 1st place. Who do we need to pass? Yeah, dump truck.
He's almost at the finish line.
It's working! We're catching up to dump truck!
But we have to make Umi-car go even faster. Count to 10 faster. Count to 10 as fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
Umi-car won the race!
He finished in 1st place.